We checked out Honda's $5 million Jet Elite, one of the cheapest in the world. We're ready to share just how much your money gets you. Welcome to Kings of Luxury. Today we're taking a journey inside the Honda Jet Elite. Can you indeed enhance the freedom of mobility with one of the tiniest and advanced private jets? Make sure to watch till the end to find out. In 2015, the Honda HA420 Honda Jet started production. It was the Japanese industrial giant's first step into the world of aviation as a manufacturer. The Honda Jet culminated 3 decades of research and development operated by Honda Aircraft Company CEO Michimasa Fujino. Honda is acknowledged worldwide for its engineering prowess. Pretty much everything the company produces is world-class, from hybrid supercars to lawnmowers. Still, many remain unsure if Honda was up to the task of building a jet from scratch. In 2018, Honda presented an updated version of the plane called the Honda Jet Elite. The name equals the designation given to the company's luxury spec automobiles. The Elite was initially sold together with the original Honda Jet, but is now taken over as the only version of the plane in production. The Honda Jet Elite starts at $5.25 million, $350,000 more than the original Honda Jet. Driven by an unshakable belief that you should never stand still, Honda continuously seeks to push the limits and evolve our design. This philosophy of continuous development led to the introduction of the Elite. Today, it's also improved with the Elite S, the next iteration of the Honda Jet. The new Elite S extends operational capability through a higher payload range and enhanced technology. Coupled with bold contemporary styling, the Elite S allows owners and operators to deploy Honda Jet's class-leading efficiency to new destinations. Remember that Honda Jet Elite S is faster than any business jet in its class on the market. It operates with a maximum cruise speed of 422 ktas at 30,000 feet. The jet has a range of 1,437 nautical miles, making it also the farthest flying aircraft in its class. This is now possible by the Elite S's refined aerodynamics and higher fuel capacity, which maximizes range for longer trips. The over-the-wing engine mount configuration produces a natural sound barrier, making for a more tranquil flight while significantly reducing ground-detected noise. Moreover, the Honda Jet Elite S flies higher than any other aircraft in its class. It has a weather-topping maximum cruise altitude of 43,000 feet, allowing for safer travel. The Elite S expands operational capability, allowing you to bring more with an increased MTOW of 200 pounds. Whether it's passengers, cargo, or supplement fuel, the Elite S expands capabilities with no compromises in baseline efficiency. Taking Honda Jet's signature exterior design profile to the next level, the Honda Jet Elite S introduces 3 new color options and logos. A more efficient jet delivers less impact on the environment. The Honda Jet fulfills Honda's long-running concentration on maximizing the efficiency of its mobility products to help preserve the environment for future generations. The Honda Jet builds upon the breakthrough aviation technologies introduced in the initial Honda Jet to deliver an aircraft that surpasses all others in its class. Honda Aircraft's signature over-the-wing engine mount configuration operates with the airflow over the wing to minimize aerodynamic shockwave, increasing the aircraft's top speed. This breakthrough also unlocks passengers' larger, quieter cabin and a signature exterior profile that excels on the ramp. Natural laminar flow technology on the major wing and fuselage secures a smooth and undisturbed airflow over the aircraft's surface to minimize air resistance. This develops fuel efficiency, range, and speed. The jet's carbon composite fuselage is more robust and lighter than the aluminum used by other aircraft in its class on the market, letting it fly higher and faster while using less fuel. The Honda Jet Elite S flight control system shares greater automation to enhance operational safety. This system helps the pilot during manual flight by providing automatic control of the aircraft's strays outside a safe flight envelope. Pilots are always in control as they return the plane to standard parameters, after which the system automatically disengages. Available on both autopilot and manual flight, the underspeed protection system averts a stall condition by automatically adapting aircraft pitch until a safe airspeed is back. In a missed approach, go-around mode can be entered at the push of a button to lessen pilot workload as they are getting ready for the next flight phase. What about human-machine interface? The HondaJet Elite flight deck uses a highly customized original design based on the Garmin G3000. The avionics interfaces essentially with the pilot to reduce workload, while the seat design and panel layout were created from an ergonomic perspective by accounting for pilot and passenger movements from every possible aspect. The avionics simplifies the most challenging portions of the flight by providing onboard computation of the needed runway length and optimal climb and approach gradients. The System Performance Management feature shares performance computations and vertical profile guidance during various phases of flight. PERF may be used to measure the time en route and fuel consumption when maintaining a constant speed in climb, cruise, and fall based on published performance schedules or pilot enter performance schedules. This function provides the basic empty weight and CG location for the aircraft. It lets the pilot enter aircraft loading and fuel data, supporting estimated takeoff and landing weights, landing fuel, and excess fuel. Pilots can see a graphical representation of weight and balance data on the top flight display. The HondaJet Elite S features an industry-first Bon Jovi Aviation speakerless in-cabin sound system integrated into the interior panel and adapts to different flight conditions, giving passengers a best-in-class immersive audio experience throughout the entire cabin. Fuel efficiency is presented in the very structure of the HondaJet Elite S thanks to the mixture of the over-the-wing engine mount, natural laminar flow, and composite fuselage. Its supreme aerodynamic design means that the HondaJet Elite S uses less fuel, reducing carbon emissions compared to other business jets. Rated the highest in its class, the HondaJet Elite S is created to be significantly more fuel efficient. This translates to reduced CO2 emissions and more significant savings on fuel costs. The HondaJet Elite S emits less noise pollution by combining the over-the-wing engine mount configuration and noise-attenuating engine inlets. These lines the engine to attenuate fan blade passage noise, allowing for a quieter interior sound and less ground noise. The cabin holds 4 fully adjustable leather seats in a classic club configuration, plus an optional side-facing 5th seat. Additional comforts include 2 stable executive tables and 3 electronically dimmable windows. Explore the cabin in our virtual tour. The over-the-wing engine mount gives you more externally approachable cargo space in the nose and aft, totaling 66 cubic feet. The over-the-wing engine mount design removes noise emissions away from the cabin and offers a much quieter ride. 4 multi-axis seats that slide, shift, and lock without the control of a track with an optional single side-facing 5th seat. A fully private aft lavatory with a flushing toilet is standard with solid surface vanity and optional elegant cobalt blue wash basin. The HondaJet Elite S lavatory is highly lit by a pair of skylights, an industry-first innovation for this aircraft size. You can use your mobile device to control the HondaJet cabin's audio, lighting, temperature, and electrochromic window shades. But what do you think? Did you like the journey inside the latest HondaJet model? Is it better than its ancestor? Let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload and you can enjoy the excellent content we send your way.